The Guardian. Reuters. U.S. talks between Lebanon and Israel end, as it happened. Pope and world leaders call for Iran de-escalation. Today. Yesterday. Here's a clear, quick roundup of the most important global news today. Globe with Meridian's Middle East tensions and global diplomacy. The biggest story, ongoing conflict involving the U.S., Iran, and Israel. The U.S. has imposed a naval blockade on Iranian ports, affecting oil shipments and global trade. The Guardian. Rare direct talks between Lebanon and Israel have taken place in Washington, the first in decades, but tensions remain high. The Guardian. World leaders, including the Pope and China's leadership, are urging de-escalation and peace talks. Reuters. Money-bagged global economy under pressure. The IMF warns of rising recession risks due to the conflict. The Guardian. Energy prices are increasing because of disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, a key oil route. The Guardian. Countries dependent on oil imports are facing inflation and slower growth. Anchor oil and trade disruption. The conflict is directly affecting global shipping and oil supply chains. Some tankers are still moving, but uncertainty is causing market instability. The Guardian. Shooting star science and space. The Lyrid meteor shower has begun and will peak around April 21st to 22nd. Good visibility expected due to darker skies this year. People.com. Brain Big Picture. The world is facing a mix of geopolitical tension plus economic uncertainty. At the same time, diplomacy is still active, giving hope for de-escalation.